And the goal of the puzzle is to make a solid block out of 5 parts. As you can see, each piece in this puzzle has a unique shape. There are no two exactly the same parts. Even some of the parts may look quite similar, like maybe these two, but they are not exactly the same. So each piece is unique, and you have to find the exact spot for each and every part. If you put one of the parts in the wrong way, you won't be able to assemble the solid block out of 5 parts. If you like the Grip 4L puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. This puzzle was designed by Lucie Pauwels and made by Greg Puzzles. Difficulty level of the Grip 4L puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. Okay, let's try to solve the puzzle. I have to figure out which piece goes first, since this is probably one of the most difficult parts. If I remember it correct, this piece goes first like that. The next one will be this part, and it goes from the left side like that. Now we have this piece, and I think that it is supposed to go somewhere, not like that. No, maybe not from this side. Oh, where is it? Oh, it is supposed to go here. Yeah, I think so. So as you can see, each piece goes from different side, and then the last piece, it goes in here, and the puzzle is solved. If you like the Grip 4L puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles designed by Lucie Pauwels, go to puzzlemaster.ca.